everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I have been a very busy person, and as you guys know from me saying it on Instagram, I have been moving into a new apartment, and it was definitely a challenge, but I'm so excited to show you guys what I have put together so far. It's not done. I've rearranged probably 1,000 times, and I will continue to do so until I find what I am happy with. But I'm too excited, so I need to show you guys what I have done so far. Also, thank you guys for all of your congratulations and kind words on the new place, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so the first stop is the bathroom. It's the first door when you walk into the apartment. So this is our lovely bathroom, and one of the first things I noticed was that it has a window, which is really nice. It looks out to the neighbors, but that's okay. I'm just happy that we have a window. And also, I fell in love with this little light. I don't know, I just think it's really cute. Next stop is the living room. I finally got it together. It was kind of crazy in here for the first couple weeks, but I'm glad I finally have it somewhat to my liking. Hi, Blue. And my husband working and playing. So yes, when we walked in, we fell in love with these bay windows. They're really big and they are perfect for my plants. Also, we are in love with this vintage fireplace. I thought it was so adorable, and at first I had a lot of plants in front of it, but then I realized that I love this fireplace so much that I don't want anything blocking it anymore, so I took all the plants away, and now you get a better view of this beautiful fireplace. I'm also thinking of getting a smaller coffee table. This one's beautiful, I love it, but it's a little big for this space. I don't know, we'll see, maybe I'll keep it. One of the things my husband likes is this fire escape. He likes to sit on it and make me nervous. So yeah, that's his favorite spot. Frida Kahlo print, love it. I can't believe it took me so long to have one in my home, but for some reason, I don't know what happened, but I plan on getting more of these, and you'll see them around the apartment. Feels like home when Frida is here. You guys have also seen my Mama Pothos on Instagram. There she is. So yes, as you can see, this place still gets a lot of light, but it is going to be a lot of morning light. Usually when I get up in the morning, the sun is shining through this window, and since the days are a lot shorter, we don't get much of it, but I imagine, you know, when it's summertime again, we'll get a lot more light through this window. Another thing I loved about this house is I get my own closet. I won't show the full thing because I'm still working on it. It's kind of a mess, but yes, I have my own walk-in closet. Next, well, I was gonna say kitchen, but I also love this little nook area in the hallway. It just has a shelving system, and I've rearranged this a billion times, but as of right now, I'm going to leave it like this. So the next spot is the kitchen. I'm super excited about this space because it's a big, bright kitchen, and we did not have that in our last place. The kitchen was big, but it was very dark. There was no natural light, and I'm a natural light kind of person, so this one is perfect. Also, I adore this little shelving system right above the entryway to the kitchen. Yes, I plan on adding more trailing plants on top of it, but it's just so perfect for that, and it looks very pretty. And this little antique cabinet system going on is so cute. I love these glass doors for our dishes. So the one thing that we noticed when we came in is that there's really no counter space. So we got this little kitchen island table, and you can fold it down and use it as like a little island, or you can lift it up, and it came with 2 stools, and you can use it as a dining table. And we really just use this for making everything, or using it as a counter and dining. So it works perfectly fine, and there's not a lot of cabinets. So we found this little rack, and we're kind of organizing it right now, but this has worked perfectly fine too. So for those of you who don't have as much storage like we do, then this is a perfect alternative to that. In terms of storage, it did come with a lot of drawers, and like little tiny drawers and stuff, and tiny cabinets. So we did use some of that for storage, but as far as, you know, your traditional cabinets for food, no, we do not have that. So the next stop is the room. Before I go in, I wanted to show you guys this really cute door, and this door leads to the bedroom. I don't know, I just fell in love with it when we toured the place, and it just gives that little unique touch that I'm always looking for in a place. And it has crystal doorknobs. That's fancy. So this is the bedroom. This is the room that probably needs the most of my love at the moment. I plan on getting to it at some point, but I put all of my love into the kitchen and living room and bathroom. So this is the next room on my list. Right now there's not much going on, but yes, I plan on getting to that and making it all pretty in here. I do like that there's 2 windows in here, which is nice. Don't worry, Chris also has a closet. It is in here. As you can see, it came with like a little tiny closet space underneath. It's like a staircase kind of. I think it leads to the people above us, but he has a closet. Don't worry. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. It's not a very big place, but it feels big, and it is our new home, and we absolutely love it. We are very close to one of our favorite neighborhoods, so around this apartment we get a lot of cafes and shops and parks, which fits what me and Chris like to do most of the time. So it was a very good find, and we are so excited to start a new year in our new apartment. Let me know what room was your guys' favorite room. Down in the comments, let me know. And if you have any decorating ideas, maybe shoot them over to me and I'll read them. But yeah, that's the end of the apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and please remember to give me a like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.